What is the difference between marble, quartz, and granite countertops? Quartz is a man-made stone material, and it is the most popular choice today for Kitchen&More clients. One of the reasons that makes it so popular is that it has the widest range of color options available, with many of these options are made to mimic natural stones that are also quite popular. Now, quartz material is non-porous, which means it can be sterilized, and it has the lowest maintenance necessary of any of our stone countertop options. The downside is that the quartz countertops do also have the lowest temperature resistance among our stone countertop options, which means you do want to make sure you always put something in between a pan that is too hot to touch and your countertop. The affordability, range of color, and low maintenance, though, are what makes it so popular and a great choice for your upcoming renovation.